Have you ever wondered what happens when a mortal becomes too powerful? In ancient Greece, Asclepius, the god of medicine, was born from the union of Apollo and a mortal woman, Coronis. From a young age, Asclepius exhibited extraordinary healing abilities, even bringing the dead back to life. His prowess attracted attention, particularly from the underworld. Hades, the lord of the dead, grew increasingly agitated by Asclepius's actions. The balance between life and death was being disrupted. In a fit of rage, Hades approached Zeus, arguing that the natural order was being violated. Zeus, fearing the wrath of the god of the underworld and the potential chaos that could ensue, decided to intervene. To teach Asclepius a lesson, he struck him down with a thunderbolt, ending the healer's life and restoring the balance between life and death. But this was not the end of Asclepius. In death, he was transformed into a constellation, a symbol of healing that still captivates us today. The story of Asclepius serves as a reminder of the fine line between ambition and hubris, and the price one pays for defying the gods.